Hello guys, so let's look at a way to improve our vortex and make it look much more interesting by controlling the fall off from our mask. A simple way and efficient way to do that is to use a remap node. So let's go ahead and see that in action. So let's go ahead and create a remap. So now we have that remap node. Let's take the RGB in from our texture 2D. Let's go ahead and get rid of the blackboard so we can all see it here. And I'll take that input into the input of my remap node, and I'll take the output and I'll set that to the input of my multiply node. So by doing that, we can see that we have this full view and it looks like a sort of magnetic field. Let's go ahead and set some values to our remap node. So let's set the X value to 0. Just to dial that down, we can go ahead and set it to any value you want. That's totally okay and fine. But let's set our Y value to 0.15. Just to put that intensity at the center of our vortex, right? So what we're also going to do is to set the X value to, like, say 0.6. Just to get that back. Also for the Y value, you can go ahead and set any value you want. But let's set the Y value to, say, 1.36, just like that. So this is the effect we get when we use a remap node. So let's go ahead and save this asset, and let's go ahead to our scene, our Unity scene, and let's go ahead and make sure we're in game view and go ahead and play it. So now that we're in game view, this is the effect we get. Note this is extremely bright, but we can go ahead and change this value because we actually have our own kind of, like, custom nodes all set up. So let's go ahead and see how we could do that. So to reduce the brightness, we can just go and cut down on those values we've set, right? So you can change it, you can edit it, and just to get any kind of effect you want. And basically that's how we can actually dial this down. We can even use the color to change the strength of that vortex in. We could just drag that out just to get that faded look, and to change that value, right? We could just drag this down, or even have negative values. So you can actually set this to any value you want just to have the effect you want. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next lesson.